Food, for me, I think is it's the most important thing in the world. I think that it connects to culture, to politics, to agriculture, to familial stuff, to traditions, religion. I mean, everything. It's everything. My business partner, Casey, and I decided to open Honey Hi at a time in our lives where the food that we wanted to eat ourselves wasn't really available to us. We came from totally different industries. I worked in advertising, she worked in fashion. We were total outsiders from the restaurant industry, but it just felt so important to us. And we started writing this business plan because we thought that people deserve to eat high quality local produce, thoughtfully sourced. You know, we're almost 3 years into Honey Hi being open now, and we want to always be striving to continue to improve our sourcing. And that's what was so exciting about taking the regenerative sourcing and supply class, because very quickly in that class you learn that it's a constant journey. There's not an end point. There's no end point at the end of the class or at the end of the year or something that you're going to reach where you're done, where you've figured it out and you've checked all the boxes. These things are evolving, and there's always people striving to create better ways of producing food. So I think this class just is exciting because it gives you a groundwork, a platform to start thinking about that and shifting the way you think about that.